Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deliverr payouts for warehoused orders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Deliverr account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the payouts section on the left side of the screen. Click on payouts to view your available funds. Next, locate the specific payout you wish to withdraw. Check the status of the payout to ensure it is eligible for withdrawal. Once you've confirmed eligibility, click on the Withdraw button next to the selected payout. You will be prompted to choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred method from the available options. If you choose bank transfer, fill in your bank account details. For PayPal, enter your PayPal email address. After entering the required information, review the withdrawal details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Check your email for a confirmation of the withdrawal request. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. Monitor your account to ensure that the funds are received. For any issues, refer to the Deliverr Help Center or contact support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.